Welcome to Chicly. Can you guess the correct image before the timer runs out? Let's see how good your English listening is. Listen to the description and choose which image I am describing. There is a green mug on a coaster. The plant has long leaves. There are 5 books on the desk. One book is called Atomic Habits. There is a picture on the wall. An open book is on the desk. Which image am I describing? Time's up. The correct answer is picture A. Great job! Let's move to question 2. A modern kitchen countertop features a stainless steel toaster beside a clear glass jar filled with coffee beans and topped with a silver metal lid. A glass electric kettle stands on the right. Time's up. The correct answer is picture A. Don't stop now. Let's continue. On a wet city street, a young man waits patiently at a bus stop. He holds a bright red umbrella overhead, his free hand casually tucked into his jacket pocket. Time's up. The correct answer is picture B. Awesome. Let's move on to question 4. An elderly woman rests cheerfully on a decorative metal bench in a leafy public park. Wearing a bright blue sweater, she enjoys scattering breadcrumbs for 3 hungry pigeons gathered nearby. Time's up. The correct answer is picture B. You're doing great. Let's try the next question. A young girl wearing an orange helmet rides a blue bicycle with training wheels on a quiet street. A teddy bear sits in the front basket, while trees, houses, and parked cars surround her. Time's up. The correct answer is picture A. You're on fire. Let's keep going. A professional chef carefully slices fresh tomatoes on a plastic cutting board in a modern kitchen, while another chef works in the background and large windows overlook the city. Time's up. The correct answer is picture B. Amazing. Ready for the last question? A businessman wearing a navy suit and a blue necktie is typing on his laptop in a modern office. A steaming cup of coffee sits on the desk beside documents, while large windows overlook the city. Time's up. The correct answer is picture B. Thanks for watching. Want to improve your English every day? Subscribe to Chicly and challenge yourself with the new videos every week.